Our form is getting quite big, so let's add another field set for our next set of elements that we're going to look at. Don't worry about how our form looks at the moment, with all the inputs all bunched up together. We'll take a look at how to make our form look good in the next part of this course. There are a few things that we find in a form that are not written in the style of the input element that we have previously seen. The first you probably come across, and it's referred to as a drop-down. It's written as a select though, so we write a select element. Don't forget to write the closing part of it. The elements that come inside the select are options. So these are the different things that you see when you click on the actual drop down. And as you can see, the browser has given us this drop down with the options that we've added in available to us. Now this select works like an input in the fact that we can have a label for it, just like we could for the inputs. And just like our inputs are linked together with the label via our for and ID attributes, so is the label and the select. Now our drop-down has a label and it's linked to the drop-down input itself. Each option has a value attribute associated with it, so that when you select the right one and the form data is passed, the value can be passed with the actual option. The values can be whatever we want, but they're usually a reference to what the option actually is. As well as drop-downs, there are bigger areas of text other than just a small box like our type text input. These are text areas and created with the text area element. Again, just like our selects and just like our inputs, text areas can have a label or should have a label. And can be linked to our text area by putting our ID attribute on it. We should use a text area in a situation where you would want the user to add more than just a couple of words of text, like a message or maybe an article.